First thing we do is we locate the Homeworks Bluetooth bath fan under number 1346191. We look for the Try Me box. We have to disconnect the two wires that are plugged into the Try Me box and remove it from where it's currently mounted. After you have your Try Me box removed from the display, you need to route the wiring from the display over to the upright where you're now going to mount your Try Me box. Once you have your wires ran through from the display over to the upright, you want to put your two wires coming from the display through the third set of holes above your crossbeam. With the wires coming out of the third set of holes above the crossbeam, you want to connect the wires coming out of your Try Me box.
Yeah.
With the cables now connected and pushed back into the holes, you want to apply some 3M double-sided tape. When you apply the tape, make sure that you do it at the bottom, the middle, and the top, so that way the tape aligns with the most contact on the upright. Remove the backing from the adhesive. Now push the box onto the upright firmly for a secure application. With the Try Me box installed, you will now want to test the unit. And installation is now complete.